Today we're diving into a beautiful floral design that's perfect for adding a touch of nature-inspired charm to your projects. I'm using this lovely khaki green linen, some embroidery floss in shades of pink and green, a needle, scissors, an embroidery hoop, and an LED light pad for tracing your design. Want to learn embroidery? My complete beginner to pro course is now on Udemy. 20 essential stitches, fun projects, and assignments to boost your skills. Check the link in the description for a special discount. I've already transferred my pattern onto the fabric using my LED light pad. You can find the link to download this pattern in the description below. It's a simple design featuring a few flowers and leaves, perfect for practicing your embroidery skills. I'm starting with the leaves using a light green embroidery floss. I've removed 2 strands from the skein, so I'm stitching with 4 strands. This gives the leaves a nice, delicate look. For the leaves, we'll be using a combination of the lazy daisy stitch and the French knot. It's a simple but effective way to create beautiful textured leaves. Now I'm using a darker green floss to add some veins to the leaves. I'm using simple straight stitches for this. And for the stems, I'm using the stem stitch, which creates a nice flowing line. Now for the flowers. I'm using a combination of light pink and dark pink floss to create these beautiful raised fishbone stitch flowers. This stitch creates a lovely textured effect that adds dimension to the design. To fill in some of the empty spaces and add a touch of whimsy, I'm adding some tiny French knot flowers. These are just like the French knots we used for the leaves, but smaller and clustered together. This design is perfect for adding a touch of handmade charm to your home decor or clothing. And there you have it, a beautiful hand-embroidered floral design. I love how the different stitches and colors create such a lovely textured effect. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Handiworks for more stitching inspiration. Happy crafting!